perfecting the three-point shot. What I like about the three-point shot. What the three-point shot did for basketball. Basically, what the three-point shot did for basketball is it spreaded the defense to where the defender couldn't just stay packed into the lane. You should get an extra point when you're shooting further away from the basket than in the lane. To your advantage, obviously, you need to be able to get to the ball to the basket. And how I do that is by using a little more force in my legs, my arms. Boom. Now, as you shoot the ball and use your wrist and arms, you'll make sure that you have to have enough arch to get the ball there. Once you're there and you're able to knock down three-point shots on a consistent basis, you'll be able to spread the defense and score more points. So work on your jump shot, work on your three-point shot, and advance your game.